A growing number are raising money by selling their life insurance policies, often for pennies on the dollar. The policies are suddenly a hot financial instrument being bought and sold in bundles, and that has some people asking whether these policies are the next financial meltdown in the making. Here's Bill Weir.
No water, sweetheart.
After Dr. Eddie Powell lost both his legs to a hospital infection, he desperately needed financial help to support his practice and 3 kids in medical school.
I had to get the money to, for my family to survive.
So he sold his life insurance.
For close to $1 million worth of insurance, I got $100,000 and some thousand.
Coventry, a life settlement company, took Dr. Powell's policies, bundled them with others, and sold them to investors like banks or hedge funds. Since they pay the premium every month, the sooner he dies, the more money they'll make. And now, Wall Street wants in on the action. Where's the morality or the ethics in that?
Well, the ick factor is certainly there, and we're aware of it. It's no different than the life insurance business itself. I mean, basically, mortality, morbidity is a multi-trillion-dollar market.
And that is what has some lawmakers calling for tougher regulations. The mortgage crisis began when banks gave loans to people who couldn't afford them. But it got much worse when Wall Street used exotic forms of investment to bet that those loans would go bad. If the same thing happens with life insurance, some worry that shady brokers will prey on seniors as the industry and the nation's health suffers.
People who have bets on early death will find themselves lobbying against effective health care.
The life settlement industry insists that they are too small to pose a big risk to the system, and they say they are simply offering a valuable option to seniors or sick people who can't afford or no longer need their insurance.
I made a stupid mistake.
Dr. Powell now says he regrets his decision. Every few months, Coventry calls to see if the 61-year-old is still breathing. He plans to keep answering for a long time.
You got a long time before Eddie Powell died.
But soon, there could be plenty on Wall Street hoping and betting he's wrong. Bill Weir, ABC News, New York.